I can't be the only one who didn't know the very first cars didn't even have a steering wheel. In 1886, Carl Benz motor wagon used a tiller, which was basically a boat rudder on wheels. Then in 1894, French engineer Alfred Vacheron entered the world's first car race with something brand new, a steering wheel. Fast forward more than a century, and the steering wheel has evolved into a high-tech command center with sensors, airbags, and even touch controls. But one thing hasn't changed. Your steering wheel is still your car's way of talking to you. So here are 5 steering wheel issues you should never ignore and what each one actually means. Number 1, stiff or heavy steering. If turning the wheel suddenly takes effort, it's often linked to a power steering issue. The most common cause is low power steering fluid. You'll need to check the reservoir under the bonnet. Fluid should sit between the minimum and maximum marks. If the fluid level drops again within a few days, that usually means there's a leak in the system. Ignoring it could lead to a pump failure, which is much more expensive to fix than topping up fluid early. Number 2, a vibrating steering wheel when braking or turning. Some steering wheel vibration is expected on rough or uneven roads, but on a smooth road, your steering wheel should feel stable. Contamination or air in the steering wheel system can cause vibrations that only a mechanic's power steering flush can clear. Issue number 3, steering wheel slips while turning. When you turn, the wheel should respond smoothly. If it slips, resists, or pushes back against you, it's a sign that the steering system is under strain. This could be due to worn drive belts, a failing power steering pump, or loose rack mounts. The 4th issue is a loose steering wheel. There should always be slight resistance in your steering. If the wheel feels vague, floaty, or too easy to move, the steering rack on the tie rods may be worn. If you want to know how to tighten a loose steering wheel, book a professional check as soon as possible. This is one of the most dangerous symptoms to ignore. Now, if you've ever had the thought, why is my car steering pulled to the left? That brings us to the 5th steering wheel issue. Pulling to one side often means uneven tire wear or issues in the steering gear. Power steering leaks can also cause uneven pressure, adding to the drift. Apart from being unsafe, this problem can rapidly destroy tires and increase fuel consumption if ignored. Your car doesn't wait for a total failure to give you a heads up, and neither should you. Spot the red flags early, fix what's needed, and keep your car roadworthy. Found this video helpful? Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips.